Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do A Promise Without Ember. This quest requires us to defeat enemies around Ember Nest Beacon and is the quest that we start after Fang's Court at the Outpost is complete, which is the intro quest to Herdnan's Politics. Now with A Promise Without Ember, I didn't automatically get this quest in my quest log. What I actually had to do was come over to this occupied tower for it to then automatically be added. So if you haven't got this quest, just head over to the tower like I have, and then hopefully that should just automatically appear in your quest log like it did for me. And then once you're here, all you then need to do is go about liberating the outpost from bandits. That is going to involve us killing an awful lot of bandits. As you can see right now, the Ember Nest Beacon is at 100%, and we just basically need to kill them until it comes down to 0. So as you can see, we're at 93% already, and if we just keep killing bandits now, that will eventually go down to 0. It is worth noting that there is a couple of valuable things around the camp, so if you want to do any looting, try to do that before, as once you finish it you won't be able to loot anything, as friendlies will then take over the camp, and then once you've killed enough bandits you'll then get a cutscene where the camp is liberated. And as you can see, we've now finished A Promise Without Ember, so I really hope that this video helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe, and if it did, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.